What if I told you you don't need to be rich to start building wealth? At kahit di ka magaling sa math, kahit busy ka sa work, you can still become financially successful. Today, pag-usapan natin ang isa sa pinaka-practical na libro about money. I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. At hindi ito scam, hindi ito get rich quick. This is a system. Part 1. It's not about how much you earn. One of the biggest lessons from Ramit Sethi is this. Hindi importante kung magkano ang kinikita mo. Ang importante ay kung paano mo ito ginagamit. Maraming high earners ang broke at maraming average earners ang yumayaman. Why? Because of habits of systems. Part 2. Automate your finances. Ito ang pinaka-core idea ng libro. Automation is everything. Instead of relying on discipline, you create a system where your savings are automatic, your investments are automatic, your bills are paid automatically. Kasi real talk, discipline fails, but systems, they work kahit tamad ka. Part 3. Ito ang pinaka-unique sa advice ni Ramit. Hindi siya nagfo-focus sa pagiging sobrang tipid. Instead, he says, cut costs mercilessly on things you don't care about, but spend big on things you love. Mahilig ka sa travel? Go! Food? Go! Gadgets? Go! Basta may system ka. This is called a rich life. Hindi lang pera, kundi buhay na gusto mo talaga. Part 4. The Pillars of Wealth. According to the book, ito ang 4 pillars. First, banking. Choose the right accounts. Number 2, saving. Build your emergency fund. Third, budgeting. Simple, flexible system. Fourth, investing. Grow your money long term. Hindi mo kailangang maging expert, you just need to start early and stay consistent. Number 5. Investing made simple. Isa pa sa key lesson, don't try to beat the market. Instead, invest in index funds, long-term investments, at low-cost strategies. Simple lang. Hindi complicated at most importantly, effective. Number 6, ignore the noise. Sa social media ngayon, ang daming financial gurus, crypto, overnight millionaire, trading signals, or get rich fast schemes. But Ramit says, focus on long-term growth, not quick wins. Because real wealth is built slowly but surely. So, here's the truth. You don't need to have a perfect timing, not a huge salary, and also not extreme discipline. You just need a system, consistency, clear priorities. And if you follow that, you won't just be rich in money, you'll be rich in life. If you learned something today, comment below Rich Life. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much and God bless.